cut tobacco in the hills of Tennessee. I ain't got a moonshine still, but I still love to smoke and drink. No, I never ate dinner from a wood-burning stove. I rode bareback in a rodeo. If you wanna see the redneck side of me, give me a six-string flat-top guitar, put all you hillbillies in a honky-tonk bar.
What's up, guys? So, been a while. But I'm working on a video explaining everything that's going on. But here is a short 5-minute little clip of a bunch of racing we've been doing. Not us, but we've been going to. So it's a bunch of short little clips of Old Number One Speedway in Harrisburg, Arkansas. There's a hint, Arkansas. But hope y'all enjoy it. We got a video coming here shortly. And we'll make it go from there. There's too many goddamn cars on this little track.
Mile by 800 plus horsepower, 26 of the best dirt late model drivers in the Mid-South. That's two battle. Here tonight is the Old Number One Speedway for $5,000. And then the 15 Clay Kentucky full still there before this one gets underway. Kentucky Japanese the series for
A 4-wide salute.
Huh?
4-wide.
3 and 4. We only get one trip in, so you gotta be loud like this. This is the Top 10 Celebration at the Old Number One Speedway.
Man, let them bust them up. Stupid motherfuckers.
Racing Fuel making power start soon. $5,000 on the line in the cow patty at Old Number One. Here's the big winner. Stand now. First year in a Super Late model, and first time ever at Old Number One Speedway picks up a $5,000 payday.
Come on, Ethan.
Scientech Modifieds need you to staging. Scientech Modifieds need